What's going on, guys? It's Danny Fantom. I just wanted to preface this video by saying filming with OBS sitting in front of my computer is very, very new to me. So it's just going to take me a little bit of time to get used to it. Give me a couple videos and I'll be putting out better quality content, but here it is. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Danny Fantom. Today I'm going to be breaking down a Future type beat that I made. So when it comes to Future's beats, I think one of the main elements, like off of Monster and Purple Rain, were the arpeggiators or the arps. So I started off with this arp here. And in the beginning of the song, I slow it down. That's just a technique that whoever it was that was producing those, I don't know who it was, but whoever it was that was producing those beats for those albums would slow them down in the beginning, something like this. And then just have them speed up
Derico Beats
when it drops. Like that. So for the drums on this beat, I like to keep it pretty simple when it comes to trap beats. As long as that shit's knocking, it really doesn't matter how you do it, but here that is. Right, and then moving on to the 808 pattern, it switches up a few times. I'll show you guys that, but when it comes to these Future type beats, a lot of sliding. You know, you only really ever hear sliding nowadays in like the New York trap, like, you know, R.I.P. Pop Smoke, Fivio or whatever, Fivio, Foreign, whatever that nigga's name is. You know, guys like that. But here's the 808. And here it is all together. Alright, so that's all I got for you guys today. I know it's not much, but I just wanted to get something out. So yeah, catch you guys next time.